Let's see how objects can be arrayed along a surface on a curve. For example, I'm taking a pressure set option. Let's take a smaller version. And my metal height can be 1.1 only, so there is hardly any scooping in. It will be at the same level. Let's say okay. I'm happy with this object and I want this arrayed along this particular surface on the curve. I can use array objects, select the objects to array, enter when done, select input surface. I'm selecting the curve and I can choose the spacing between it. So if I say my spacing is less, I can find things getting modified accordingly. Instead of this, if I had taken a simple bezel also, it would have still worked. So let's say I take a unit collet by bezel. So I'm taking a unit collet of a 1.5 and I want them spaced out on this particular surface. Again, opting for array objects, select the objects to array, enter when done, selecting the input, selecting the curve, and your placement is done. If you want the spacing to be deferred, please change it to your requirements. You can also rotate the objects. If you need it to be embedded in the surface, use the Z offset to ensure it is embedded correctly. If you need cutters on this, you can always go into the Gem Studio, say place cutters, select gems, and you'll get the cutters as well to work on.